Hello kids, this is Ritika Sharma, teacher of Ambi International School, Nayagav, Kota. So kids, we will read today chapter 2, which name is Robots Are a Boastful Lot. So kids, let's start the extract. Robots are a boastful lot. Technology can wonderful things for us. Robots are now being used to perform surgery and greet customers in departmental store. But would you trust a robot to do your homework for you? So technology is the wonderful things, okay? And robots are now being used to perform surgery and greet customers. Now robots are working in every field, all right? So, but would you trust a robot to do your homework? So can we trust a robot to do our homework, to complete our homework? So this extract is all about this question. Robots are a boastful lot. Robots are like they just want to show off. They cannot say no sir, we can't do this. They always say yes, we can do this. So let's see the characters first. Debu, a 12-year-old boy, Papa, Debu's father, Mika, the family robot. So scene starts from here. Debu's room. Debu is sitting in a chair with a box-like thing on his lap. He is alone when the curtain rises. Now the curtain is being raised. So Papa said, Debu, Debu. Debu said, Papa walks in. Papa walks into Debu's room. So Papa said that, Debu, I have been calling you. Why didn't you answer? So Debu said, Papa, I want to go out and play. He had a lot of homework and he said, I just want to go out and play. So Papa said, what's stopping you? What is the thing? What's the matter which is stopping you? So Debu said, I have got so much homework and I have to complete it at any cost. So Papa said, Debu said to his father that, can you help me of this for my homework? So Papa said, certainly not. Of course not. I won't do any help of yours. So Debu said, please. Then Papa said, no, I came to introduce to our new robot helper. So Papa said कि मैं यहाँ पर अपने एक new robot को introduce करवाने के लिए लेकर आया हूँ, which he made. So Debu said, Papa said, Mika. The robot name is Mika. A brand new robot walks in. Debu sits up and looks with the interest at it. Debu looks at it और वो उसकी तरफ देखकर कि थोड़ा सा मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा उसको बहुत इंटरेस्ट के साथ देखता है. So Papa said, this is Mika, he is programmed to help us. So Papa suggested to Debu that he is programmed to help us. इसको बनाया गया है हमारी help करने के लिए. He is just like a helper. तो Debu said to Mika, where's my pen? So just Debu just trying to test it Mika. वो टेस्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा था Mika को. So Mika said, it is in your left hand, Debu. So Papa said, have fun with Mika. Debu, I have to go out now. So he just said this कि have fun with Mika and he just left the room. Papa leaves the room. Debu bends over his notebook. There is a silence as he reads. So Debu, horse. What on earth is a horse? So he asked Mika to some questions to test it. That Mika said it's a noun. The word refers to an animal which was used in the 20th century to pull carts. People also rode it. This animal is now extinct. तो मीका जो है वो हॉर्स के बारे में सब कुछ एक्सप्लेन कर देती है कि ये जो है ये एक तरह का नाउन है एंड ये अर्थ पे होता है, अर्थ पे पाया जाता है. इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ एनिमल एंड नाउ दिस एनिमल इज नाउ एक्सटिंक्ट. So Debu said, wow Papa, said you were programmed to help us, but I didn't imagine that you could answer my question. So Mika said, I am programmed to answer your question. You can ask me everything. So Debu said, really? Yes. Can you tell me what is 100 divided by 3? So Mika said, 100 divided by 3 is 33.3333, etc. So he was just testing Mika continuously, and Mika was performing very good. She was, of course, it is a robot, and it is programmed to help us. All right. So Debu, amazing. Mika, I can answer anything you are likely to ask. I have a large number of answers. Ask me anything you like, anything at all. So Mika said कि मुझे प्रोग्राम किया गया है तुम्हारी क्वेश्चंस का आंसर करने के लिए. तुमको जो चाहिए तुमको जो भी क्वेश्चंस पूछने तुम मुझसे क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हो. Debu said, what is the capital of Peru? Mika said, Lima. So Debu, which is the longest river? Mika said the Nile in Africa and it is 6,853 kilometers. Debu said, Mika, don't you want to ask me any more questions? Mika कहती कि Mika the robot said कि अब और questions नहीं पूछने तुमको. Then Debu said, I wish I could, but I have a lot of homework to do. Then Mika stands silent. Then all my friends are out playing and what am I doing? He said to Mika कि all the friends of mine are going out to play. So and what am I doing? I have lot of homework and I will have to complete it. Then Mika said, you are sitting here with a notebook in one hand and a pen in the other. For a time to time you look up and sigh angrily. Then you smash your fist into the notebook. Then you. So Debu said, okay, enough, stop. So Mika the robot was observing everything and he just describe anything कि तुम ये काम कर रहे थे and you were just being angry और तुम अपनी fist को smash कर रहे थे notebook पे. You are not doing your homework properly because you want to go out and play. So Mika falls silent. Suddenly Mika falls silent and so you think you are smart, don't you? So Debu Mika से कहता है कि तुम सोचते हो कि तुम बहुत ज़्यादा smart हो, don't you? So Mika the robot said, of course, yes. I am programmed to answer many questions. You can ask me anything you like. I can answer it. So Debu मीका की imitate करता है. मीका का imitate करते, मीका को mimic करते हुए कहता है, I am programmed to answer my questions. I can. Debu sits like a statue, a smile dawning on his face. So Debu he was sitting like a statue and now he said, can you really answer questions? कि क्या तुम सच में questions का आंसर दे सकते हो? Then Mika said, of course, I am programmed to. आगे वो बोलने वाला था. Then Debu said, all right, I have this homework to complete. It's about horses. I have to use this pen and write in this notebook. Don't you think? Will you be able to do it? So Debu said कि I have lot of homework and my topic is on horses and this is my pen, this is my notebook and can you help me? So Mika said, yes, of course I can complete your homework. Debu jumps up, he smiles widely, he is smiling widely. He becomes so excited, so happy कि जो Mika the robot can do my work. Then I am free, I can go and play with my friends. He dances around the room holding Mika's arm. Mika stays stiff. Then he was so glad, he was so happy. So Debu said bye Mika. Then Mika said bye Debu and Debu went to go out and play. Now scene 2 has started that the next morning Debu was sitting up in bed, a smile on his face. He was thinking next morning when he got up, he was thinking that my homework is completed now and I am free, I am totally free. So Debu said, what fun I had playing with my friends and the best thing is I don't have to worry about my homework because Mika, my brilliant robot, must have finished writing it. So he was saying कि Mika ने मेरा homework for sure complete कर ही दिया होगा, so मुझे tension लेने की कोई भी need नहीं है. Then Debu jumps out of bed, picks up the notebook and opens it. His smile vanishes and when he looks up, he is horrified. When he look into his notebook, he becomes so horrified and his smile has vanished totally. उसकी जो smile थी वो पूरी तरह से गायब हो चुकी थी. Why? Debu, but what does this mean? Papa walks into the room. He was looking into the book, looking into the notebook and he was thinking कि what does that mean, what he is writing, what it is writing. So Papa walks into the room. Papa said, Debu, can you? Why? What is the matter? What do you look so unhappy? So Debu was busy to look by looking into his notebook and suddenly Papa said, Papa just saw him and said कि what's the matter? Why are you so tensed? So Debu said, Papa, today, उसके बाद he can't see anything and he couldn't see anything. Papa said, Monday morning can't be so bad after all. And he said कि Monday morning इतनी bad हो भी नहीं सकती because जो yesterday था आपका weekend था and you had lot of fun. So Debu, oh it's Papa, look at my homework. Show Papa his notebook. Papa's face becomes so serious. So Papa said, what is the meaning of this, Debu? Where is your homework? This is my homework. So Debu said, this is my homework. Papa said, where is your homework? By seeing the homework, Papa said that where is your homework? Homework तो है ही नहीं ये, इतनी bad handwriting थी कि कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. So Debu said कि Papa, this is my homework. Then Papa said, this is nothing but a lot of scribbles. How can you all how can you call this homework? So Papa said that this homework is totally written in a very bad handwriting. We can't understand anything. So Debu said this is what Mika calls homework. So Debu बताता है कि ये जो homework है वो Mika ने किया था. So Papa said, Mika, what does he have to do with your homework? So Debu, everything I asked Mika to do my homework yesterday. सो देबू सेड कि मैंने मीका को कहा था कि अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करने के लिए, सो ही जस्ट कंप्लीट माय होमवर्क. देबू, हाउ कुड यू आस्क मीका टू डू योर होमवर्क? सो देबू सेड कि बट पापा आई वांटेड टू गो एंड प्ले, बट मीका सेड ही वुड डू द होमवर्क फॉर मी. सो आई गेव हिम माय नोटबुक एंड वेंट अवे, एंड नाउ आई फाइंड दिस नोटबुक फिल्ड विद ऑल दीज स्क्रिबल्स. व्हाट एम आई डूइंग टू टेल माय टीचर? सो ही एक्सप्लेन ऑल द थिंग्स कि उसको खेलने जाना था एंड उसको होमवर्क भी कंप्लीट करना था. तो उसने मीका से कहा एंड मीका just agreed of it, and he just completed he just made all the scribbles on his notebook. So Papa said, you will have to tell your teacher the truth. So Papa suggested Debu that you will have to tell the truth to your teacher. I hope you have learned a lesson. Debu, laziness never pays. He explained Debu कि जो laziness है उसको कभी पे नहीं किया जाता. You should be active. You should do your homework at the same time. You should not depend on robots, on technology. So you should always do your own homework and never ask others to do it for you. So Debu said, but Papa. Then Papa said, every single robot is fabricated for a specific purpose. पापा उसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, पापा देबू को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि हर एक जो रोबोट है वो एक स्पेसिफिक पर्पस के लिए मैन्युफैक्चर किया जाता है. और मीका हैज़ बीन बिल्ट टू डू डोमेस्टिक चॉर्स, और पापा ने मीका को बिल्ट किया था, मैन्युफैक्चर किया था टू डू डोमेस्टिक चॉर्स को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. दैट्स ऑल ही कैन डू, और डोमेस्टिक चॉर्स ही है जो वो कर सकता है. सो Debu, but Papa, he knew so much, he answered so many questions. Then Debu asked to his father that he answered so many questions. Then Papa said that is because he has been fed a great deal of general information. ये इसलिए किया था, उसने आंसर्स इसलिए दिए थे क्योंकि उसके अंदर ऐसा प्रोग्राम किया गया, उसको बहुत सारे जनरल क्वेश्चन से फैड अप किया गया है. He has been programmed to talk confidently, but that doesn't mean he can do your homework. I am surprised to you ask him do it for you. So he just advised him to do. He just advised him. So Debu said, but Papa, you don't understand. Mika offered to do it for me. So Debu समझाता है अपने फादर को कि मीका ने ऐसा कहा था that it can do the homework for me. He said he could do it. So Papa laughingly he said, robots are a boastful lot. So robots are a boastful lot. It means robots believe in show off. They cannot say no that we cannot do this work. They always say yes, we can do this work. उनको ये they don't know how to do this work, but they always say yes, we can do this work. So you should never rely on them, that we should not dependent on the technology, always on robots. You should remember to check for yourself. And I am sure Mika has never written a word in a notebook. Really? So Debu said, really? So Papa, let's check. Shall we, Mika? Then sudden वो मीका को बुलाते हैं and Mika appears. So मीका जो फादर है, देबू के फादर हैं, वो मीका से कहते हैं, कैन यू ड्रॉ मी अ पिक्चर? देन ही सेड कि क्या तुम मेरे लिए एक पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, क्या तुम मुझे मेरी एक पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर सकते हो? देन मीका सेड सर्टेनली. हालांकि क्या हुआ था, उसको प्रोग्राम किस लिए किया गया था? डोमेस्टिक चॉर्स करने के लिए. इसके अलावा वो और कुछ काम नहीं कर सकता था, बट फिर भी ही सेड सर्टेनली, हाँ मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता. सर what would you like me to draw? Then he said कि आप मुझसे क्या बनवाना चाहते हैं? Here he said कि can you draw me a picture, कि क्या can you draw me a picture, क्या एक पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर सकते हो मेरे लिए? Then he said कि क्या बनवाना चाहते हैं आप? Then Debu and Papa burst out laughing. Then they both understand. Debu understand that we cannot rely on the robots, on the technology always. So Mika just confused, sir. So this was the story that we should not always depend on technology. We should not always depend on robots. We should complete our homework on ourselves. So this was the story. Hope you understood it. Thank you.